Hi guys, today I'll be talking about this Mustang. I'll show you where the fuse is located and the OBD port. So first thing first, if you want to get to your OBD port, it's going to be right under the steering wheel. Usually it's right in here. There it is. If you need to plug in the computer or for DQ and stuff, that's where it's located. So to get to your first fuse box location, you have to go to your passenger side. So if you go under on the passenger side, it's right in here. Usually you might have a cover, you might want to pull on it or use a screwdriver or something. I don't have one, I'm missing it. And there it is, there's your fuse box. So to get to it, you just have to, on this side, I noticed you can just pull it and that comes off. And there's your fuses and relay, and there's your fuse puller. So to see how it clips right there, so just line it up to close it. Make sure it clicks on both sides, secure, and put the lid on if you have one. And to get to your second one, let's go to the driver's side. So what you want to do is open the hood. The latch is right here. Open your hood. So to open the hood, it's gonna be right here. You just push it this way, and there's your stick to hold the hood. To get to the second one, it'll be right in here. So if you want to open it, you just pull on this, and that comes up. Same thing on this side, and there you go. And there's your fuses and relays. To close it up, you just line it up, make sure it clicks on both sides, and you're good. So this is all I found for this Mustang, Ford Mustang. If you know more, comment below. And consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, also comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.